I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a new SIM on Lebara UK, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Insert the new SIM. Start by inserting your new SIM card into your phone. Make sure your phone is powered off during this process to avoid any issues. Step 2. Activate the new SIM. Turn on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your new SIM. This usually involves entering a code or confirming your details. Step 3. Dial the balance transfer code. Once your new SIM is activated, dial the balance transfer code provided by Lebara. This is typically a specific number you can find on their website or in your account settings. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After dialing the code, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to read it carefully to ensure the transfer was successful. If you don't see the message, try again. Step 5. Check your balance. Finally, check your balance on the new SIM to ensure the transfer was completed. You can do this by dialing the balance check code or checking the app. If you run into any issues, double check that you entered the correct transfer code. It can be easy to mistype it. Good luck with your new SIM, and I hope this guide helps you out.